Okay, today we are gonna make lemon muffins with a pop in your mouth, including the poppy seeds. First, we're gonna add the dry ingredients. So first, you're supposed to juice and grate 1 lemon and retain the juice. Add the zest to a bowl with the flour, baking soda, salt, sugar, and poppy seeds, which you can see down there, how much to put in. Now, we get our wet ingredients. So we're going to need an egg. Mix it up. Okay, we have our egg. Now we're also going to add our milk. Our oil, which I haven't measured yet. Okay, and lemon juice, which is lemon juice from 1 lemon. And mix them together. Okay. Yeah, you pour it in. We have assistance from Lily today. Also, you're going to add the dry ingredients. What ingredients? Just until it's combined. Now that's our batter. That was easy. Now that we're done with that, I think we're gonna cook it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, we are done baking. We have our glaze done, so now we're going to just glaze on top of the muffins.